Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make almond brittle. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. You'll also need 5 cups of roasted almonds, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Prepare a large baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper and lightly greasing it. This preparation ensures a smooth process later on. Now let's start cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of corn syrup. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Continue to cook the syrup until it reaches a temperature of 300 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. This precise temperature is crucial for perfect brittle. Once your sugar mixture hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove the saucepan from the heat. Quickly but carefully stir in the 5 cups of roasted almonds and the 2 tablespoons of butter. Stir until the butter is fully melted and incorporated. Next, add the 1 teaspoon of baking soda and stir vigorously. The mixture will become foamy and lighter in color, which is exactly what you want for that classic brittle texture. Now, working quickly, pour the hot brittle mixture onto your prepared baking sheet. Use an offset spatula or the back of a greased spoon to spread it thinly and evenly across the parchment paper. Allow the brittle to cool completely at room temperature, which usually takes about 30 to 45 minutes. Once fully cooled and hardened, break it into irregular pieces. It's perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.